G'day guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are at a free camp called Cockle Creek, which is south, and it is absolutely beautiful. The first part of our trip is cold weather, and then the second part of our trip is gorgeous. So we're shucking oysters, diving for crays. It's going to be epic, so make sure you stick around. We're currently going on a walk out to Fisherman's Point. Now that means we're actually walking on the most southern road in Australia, the world, I think, even, because below us is Antarctica. So they call this road the end of the road.
It says it on there that you've just got to take this track on a mid-tide, that's all.
There's like
walking on beaches.
Oh wow, that's so pretty. So I'm not sure where the family's gone, but I see a little arrow here, so I'm heading this way. Wow. This was John Bruce's house, and it was in 1853, we think, that they brought 20,000 bricks for him and made him a house, because before that he lived in a bark hut. Well, this is it, Fisher Point.
Fishers.
So it took us 1 hour. Snack time. What was your question?
How far have we walked so far?
We actually walked 3.5 k's.
How about in minutes or hours?
In minutes, 66 minutes. Alright, so we're heading back now. So I got the shoes off because we're nearly there. We're just going to go, oh no, just got to go around there a little bit where those rocks are.
All right, sunset, Cockle Bay, far south Tasmania. Ready?
So we're at Cockle Creek. Come in. Say it with me. Cockle Creek! Cockle Creek!
It's the next morning and it's darn cold. I reckon it's about 10 degrees. And last night when we were around the fire and I had a couple of wines, I said I'm going to go snorkeling with you guys tomorrow morning. The problem is I don't have a wetsuit. So this is the getup I am going with. So it's my bike shorts, my long sleeve tropical swim suit, and my son's rashie. I just don't know if I'm going to be able to do it, but I will try very hard. Here we are. This is, I think we call this Seagull Island, and you can see Mark and Tex and all the other crew there ready to go. I'm just going to snorkel around this area here. Well, they're going to snorkel, I'm not sure. I'm going to try my hardest to get in. So cold, but it's no colder than what I expected it to be. Okay, I've been sitting here for like maybe 3 minutes now, talking myself into it, talking myself out of it. I think I'm just going to have to do it. Mark was diving down to try and get a cray, and I had to go because it was freaking me out. Totally freaky.
Part of the Hastings cave area. This is one of about 30 caves just in this area. In total in Tasmania, about 900 caves. Huh? You can see water drop down the bottom. When you see the water, that means that this is an active cave. This cave is not finished with, it's still forming. So yes, we are affecting this one piece, but the trade-off is we're trying to protect the cave. So we'll give you one. You know, get it out of your system. Okay, I've touched something.
Oh yeah,
okay,
wow.
good. But it's pretty cool. It's not every day you get to touch something that's 75,000 years old.
No.
It's pretty fantastic.
It's like I'm in the water.
Doesn't it? Looks like it's a river flowing.
Remember I was saying how it flows down? You really get a sense of like here. You really do get into that feeling. Really quite beautiful.
Yeah.
Today we're headed off to the South Cape Walk, which is one of the reasons why we came to Cockle Creek. So you can access it through Cockle Creek, but the campground here is simply amazing. This walk is 14.5 k's and it's a grade 3. They say that it should take you about 4 hours. So it's 10 a.m. so we'll see how we go.
Leech it.
I think I got a leech before too because
Come on off.
Oh, I can't get off. Can you get off, Mark?
what is it?
4.5 kilometres in, so we're more than halfway, and it's actually been a really nice walk, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Nice walk, Till. How you going?
I am hungry.
Oh, we're only a few k's away, so we'll sit down and have lunch. This walk actually takes us out to South Cape, which is the most southern point of Australia. Basically say the world, because below us is Antarctica, so it's kind of like it's uninhabited. Golly! We're right through the bush, aren't we? We're now 7.49 k's in, and we've just come over sort of like a bit of a ridge, and you can feel the cold breeze coming, and now you can hear the ocean as well. Maybe these are like the little camping spots. Oh my gosh. How'd you go, Tilly? Would you enjoy that walk?
No.
What? Did you, Mark? We finally made it to the South Cape, and it is treacherous. It's just like another planet, basically. So we've just had a little bit of lunch. We're going to head down to the beach and see what that's like. Apparently, it's really good surf break, and you can see that out there. We just went past some surfers that brought their surfboard all the way out to have a surf today. It is actually freezing, and they've decided to go for a swim.
Oh,
You're gonna get some oysters and mussels?
it's cold.
Come on, you get dinner. Women at hunter gathering.
What are we having for dinner?
I've already had mine.
There's a crack that runs this way and a crack that runs that way. Just have a look in it.
boys have been out snorkeling all day, and look what they got. Is that one big enough?
Yep.
Wow. Look at that
Good
beauty.
fish.
It's like an alien. They're so incredible. And this one, sorry, hang on. So tonight is Naomi's 40th birthday and we're having a little party.
Hey dudes!
Happy birthday to Naomi. Now we've even got the everything.
G'day, got the pepper.
Chef, look at what he's making.
Yes, he caught that today.
Just joking.
He's also got potatoes and onions.
Oh, yum!
Just whipped it up, like last night when you were yapping away, and I thought, oh, I'll just whip up.
I have that one and that one.
Oh, Natalie! Oh, guys, so fast! Oh, he's so fast. Well done.
One rule, no pushing! Oh, you
So it's our last day in Cockle Creek and it is absolutely glorious. Now I'm not feeling so jealous of everyone that's down in Esperance. We are here and there is absolutely no one on the beach. We've got it all to ourselves. And look at it, it's just as blue and turquoise. How cool is it? It's just so beautiful. Yeah, it's like crystal. Look how happy she is. Good girl. Oh my gosh, look at those little crabs. My first time ever, we're going down to see if we can get some oysters. Wow, look at them all down there. So I'm gonna have to swim across here. Ooh. Oh, it's a bit cold. So beautiful.
No, he's being arrogant, ignorant.
He's stuck in. I can see he's got quite a bit of thing on him.
That's where you need a little hammer.
So these ones are all stuck together, a little bit harder to get off.
Yeah, it's nice little shape, shell.
Mark's just throwing that one at me. Look at it. So this one might be one of their native ones. Oh, sorry, not native, like one of the ones from Tasmania. It's actually really hard, isn't it, Sol?
Yeah.
Like there's heaps of them on there, but they're all stuck together, so they're hard to get off.
Oh, look at that.
So expensive just for one.
Cool.
And because
Very
I don't
tight,
like the
sits in your
shell.
hand. Not too big.
Yum-o.
Is that a good size?
So we got enough. It's not easy to get them off. Poor little buggers.
This is all pellets.
Going in our belly now, aren't they? Good work, guys. Well done.
My belly.
So I've just had that in the fire and I'm just going to pry it open once it cools down a little bit. Just grabbed a natural oyster, native oyster, and one of these big ones and popped them on the fire. And I've just got this one open. So basically I sat them on the fire and just waited for it to show a bit of an opening so I could get it out.
Please open the door
Why?
because I need to put the kitty litter in.
Oh, good boy. Hang on just a sec. There it is. I'm going to try it. Oh my God. So good. Like they just have this sweet, salty flavour, and because they've been on the fire, it's like a smoky. Oh my God, it's just so good. Well, that's it, guys. Sadly, our stay at Cockle Creek is over. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed our completely free campsite this week, and we'll look forward to seeing you next week. Make sure you hit like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.